Hey everyone, this is Tony Martinez, and I just hope that every single one of you watching this right now is having a phenomenal start to this amazing new year. You know, one of the things that I want for myself this new year is actually to see you here less so that I can do more and get more things done, right? And you know what I would want for you this new year is actually the same. I hope that you're on here less so that you can be out there doing more and living life, right? The way you should be doing, going after things that really matter to you. Now, if you have been watching, well, that's great. And I hope that we truly have provided that value for you. But more importantly, I wish that you actually apply it. Now, if you have been watching, but you're just not getting the results that you want, or if you feel that you can reach your next level of success, then, I want to invite you to a very unique and special event that I'm going to host here in Playa del Carmen. Is this January 31st. Now, this is only for those who are serious about what I'm saying and who really care about the results, who really care about achieving the goals, the dreams that mean something to them. You see, in this event called The Habit of Accomplishment, we're going to talk about the psychology behind achievement. We're going to talk about the psychology of goal setting and just how one should set their goals to actually accomplish them. This is all about achieving your idea, your dream, your project, right? The results that you're looking for. And I'm going to invite a guest speaker who happens to be one of my mentors. His name is Shane Mulholland, who actually lives here in Playa del Carmen. He's a local business owner, entrepreneur. He's a high-level business owner who happens to run and operate companies that are currently doing and are worth in the millions of dollars. Okay, so we can learn something from someone is definitely Shane, and he's going to share with us some of the mental strategies that he uses when taking on such responsibilities and just how should we decide, right? But most importantly, guys, he's going to teach us about the process and what it involves. So I couldn't see anything more important than something like this to start your year with a bang and make sure that this year you actually achieve it, that this year you actually get the results that you're looking for and get a chance to actually live the way that you want, the way that you deserve. So if you guys live in Playa del Carmen or Quintana Roo, or really anybody's invited, if you want to fly out here, you know that our house is always open for you guys. Once again, this is January 31st. This is a special invite to only 35 people, all right? 35 people. So if you're liking what you're seeing, go ahead and press me on the comment below, or go ahead and get in contact with us. You should see a link. Once again, guys, this is Tony Martinez inviting you to a private mastermind event here in Playa del Carmen, January 31st. Guys, make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity to actually do things, to actually live the way that you want, that you deserve, that you desire. This is Tony Martinez from Success is the Movement. Have a blessed day.